안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. 지니쌤이에요. This is Genie. Alright, so today we're going to have another pronunciation practice, and today it's about final consonant B sound plus NM. It's not a final consonant B plus NM, but it's about final consonant B sound plus NM. Alright, let's move on to the next page. When the final consonant B sound is followed by n and m, then b sound again is pronounced as m. I'm keep telling you it's not a b 받침, but it's b sound. And it means it's not only for b 받침 itself, but also for p 받침 as well. Because both b and p, when it comes as a 받침, the final consonant, then they both have b 받침 sound. Okay, then let's take a look at the examples. First one, 먹습니다. 먹습니다. When I read letter by letter, then it becomes 먹습니다, but no one reads it like that. Instead, it becomes 먹습니다. We have b 받침 down here, and then n is following. b 받침, so it will be b 받침 sound. And n comes after the b sound, so it changes to m sound. So it will be 먹습니다. What about the second one? 공부합니다. b 받침 sound plus n consonant, so b changes to m sound. 공부합니다. Last one. 앞문. 앞문. We have p 받침 down here, but the pronunciation for this one will be b, so it becomes m sound. 앞문. 앞문. Okay, then let's repeat after me. First one is 먹습니다. 먹습니다. And then 공부합니다. 공부합니다. Last one is 앞문. 앞문. Alright, let's repeat after me one more time, a little faster this time. 먹습니다. 공부합니다. 앞문. Are you all good until here? Alright, then let's move on to the next page for the pronunciation practice. Alright, then let's repeat after me from number 1. 1번, number 1. 저는 한국 사람입니다. 저는 한국 사람입니다. I'm Korean. 저는 한국 사람입니다. 2번, number 2. 날씨가 시원합니다. 날씨가 시원합니다. The weather is cool. 날씨가 시원합니다. Number 3, 3번. 얼마입니까? 얼마입니까? How much is it? 얼마입니까? 10만 원입니다. It's 100,000 won. 10만 원입니다. And then number 4. 케이트 씨는 회사원입니다. 케이트 씨는 회사원입니다. Kate is an employee. 케이트 씨는 회사원입니다. 저는 한국어를 배웁니다. 저는 한국어를 배웁니다. I learn Korean. 저는 한국어를 배웁니다. 자, 그러면 여러분 오늘도 수고하셨습니다. Well done for today as well. And I'll see you in my next lesson. 우리는 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕히 가세요. Bye.